Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of study methods, exploring different techniques to help you discover what truly works for you. Whether you're a student preparing for exams or someone looking to learn new skills, finding the right study method can make all the difference. We'll break down popular strategies, discuss their strengths, and help you match your learning style to the best approach. So get comfortable and let's start this journey to more effective studying together. Active recall is a powerful study method that involves testing yourself on the material rather than just reading it over and over. For example, after reading a chapter, close your book and try to recall the main points from memory. This technique strengthens your memory and helps you identify gaps in your understanding. Many students find that active recall not only improves retention, but also boosts confidence when facing exams. It's a simple yet highly effective way to make your study sessions more productive. Spaced repetition is all about reviewing information at increasing intervals over time. Instead of cramming all at once, you revisit material periodically, which helps transfer knowledge from short-term to long-term memory. Tools like flashcards or spaced repetition apps can make this process easier. This method is especially useful for subjects that require memorization, such as languages or science terms. By spacing out your reviews, you'll find that you remember more with less stress. Mind mapping is a creative way to organize information visually. Start with a central idea and branch out with related topics, using colors, lines, and images to make connections. This method is perfect for visual learners who benefit from seeing how concepts relate to each other. Mind maps can help you break down complex subjects, plan essays, or brainstorm ideas for projects. If you enjoy drawing or thinking in pictures, give mind mapping a try during your next study session. Feynman technique is all about teaching what you've learned to someone else, or even to yourself. By explaining concepts in simple language, you quickly discover what you truly understand and what needs more work. This method encourages deep learning and helps you fill in any gaps. It's especially useful for challenging subjects where understanding is more important than memorization. Try teaching a friend or recording yourself explaining a topic to see how well you really know it. Pomodoro technique helps you stay focused by breaking study time into short, manageable intervals, usually 25 minutes of work followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This method keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout. It's especially helpful if you struggle with procrastination or find it hard to concentrate for long periods. Set a timer, pick a task, and see how much more productive you can be with this simple approach. SKU3R stands for Survey, Question, Read, Recite, and Review. This structured reading method helps you engage with the material actively. Start by surveying the chapter, then ask questions about what you're about to learn. Read carefully, recite key points aloud, and finally review the content to reinforce your memory. SQ3R is especially useful for dense textbooks and helps you retain more information with each reading session. Practice testing involves taking mock quizzes or answering practice questions on the material you're studying. This method not only helps you check your understanding, but also reduces test anxiety by familiarizing you with the exam format. You can create your own questions, use online resources, or join study groups for collaborative quizzes. Regular practice testing is proven to improve performance and is a must-try for anyone preparing for important exams. To leave practice means mixing different topics or types of problems in a single study session, rather than focusing on one subject at a time. This approach helps your brain learn to distinguish between concepts and apply knowledge flexibly. For example, if you're studying math, alternate between algebra, geometry, and statistics problems. Interleaving can feel more challenging, but research shows it leads to better long-term learning. Laborative interrogation is a technique where you ask yourself why questions about the material. For instance, instead of just memorizing facts, you explore why they are true or how they connect to other ideas. This method encourages deeper thinking and helps you build meaningful associations, making it easier to recall information later. It's especially effective for subjects that require understanding complex relationships or cause and effect. Self-explanation involves talking through your thought process as you study. For example, while solving a math problem, explain each step out loud and why you're doing it. This technique helps clarify your understanding and reveals any gaps in your logic. It's a great way to reinforce learning, especially for complex subjects. Even if you're studying alone, self-explanation can make your sessions more interactive and effective. Studying in groups can offer fresh perspectives and help you learn from others. Group study sessions allow you to discuss difficult topics, quiz each other, and share resources. Explaining concepts to peers reinforces your own understanding, while hearing different viewpoints can deepen your knowledge. Just remember to stay focused and keep the group size manageable for the best results. Technology can enhance your study routine in many ways. From digital flashcards and educational apps to online videos and forums, there are countless resources available. These tools can help you organize information, track your progress, and access explanations on demand. Just be mindful to use technology as a supplement, not a distraction, and choose tools that fit your learning style and goals. No single study method works for everyone. It's important to experiment with different techniques and notice which ones help you learn best. Maybe you prefer visual aids, or perhaps you retain more through teaching others. Pay attention to your results and adjust your approach as needed. The The key is to be flexible and open to trying new strategies until you find your perfect fit. You've covered a variety of study methods, each with its own strengths. The journey to effective learning is personal, so don't be afraid to mix and match techniques until you find what works for you. Remember, consistency and reflection are key to making progress. With the right approach, you'll not only improve your grades, but also enjoy the process of learning. Good luck on your study journey.